All right, today we're headed to a really unique spot in our galaxy. And no, it's not a planet or a star or even a nebula. It's a window. A window that gives us this incredible front row seat to the heart of the Milky Way. We're talking about Messier 24, also known as the Sagittarius star cloud. So just imagine for a second, what if you could just pull back a giant curtain in the night sky? A curtain made of all this cosmic dust and gas. And behind it, a brilliant, unbelievable river of stars. Sounds like something out of a movie, right? But what if I told you nature already built a window just like that for us? So where is this amazing window? Well, to find it, we've got to take a little trip. We're going to start right here in our quiet corner of the Milky Way and set our sights on the bustling downtown of our galaxy. Okay, so our journey starts at home, right here in the Milky Way. We're kind of out in the suburbs, in one of the calmer outer spiral arms. But all the action, all the really bright, crowded stuff, that's happening right in the galactic center. To see what we're looking for, we have to point our telescopes toward the constellation Sagittarius. Now, if you're into stargazing, you already know this is one of the best parts of the sky, and there's a good reason for that. When you look at Sagittarius, you're literally looking right into the heart of our galactic city. And as we zoom in, we're peering into the Sagittarius arm. This is a huge spiral arm that sits right between us and the galaxy's core. It is just packed with stars, glowing nebulae, and these really thick clouds of dust. And it's through that dust that we're going to find our window. And there it is. This absolutely breathtaking field of stars is our destination, the Sagittarius star cloud. You might know it as Messier 24, but as you're about to find out, this is not your typical celestial object. Not at all. Okay, so here's the twist. Messier 24 isn't actually a thing in the way we usually think about it. It's not a star cluster or nebula all held together by gravity. Nope. It's actually a hole. It's a tear in that big curtain of cosmic dust, giving us this perfectly clear, unobstructed view of the Sagittarius arm, thousands of light years behind it. And that's a huge deal because that dust usually blocks our view of everything. So just how far are we looking through this cosmic window? The distance is just mind-boggling. Get ready for it. 10,000. That's right, 10,000 light years. The light hitting our eyes from those stars started its journey when humans on Earth were just figuring out agriculture. So this isn't just a window through space, it's a window back in time. But wait, there's more. The amazing view through Messier 24 doesn't stop there. If you look really close, there's a true hidden gem tucked away inside this cosmic treasure chest. If you've got a small telescope or even a good pair of binoculars, Messier 24 just explodes into this incredible field of stars. But if you look carefully, you might spot a little fuzzy patch, something that looks just a bit different from everything else around it. That little patch, that's NGC 6603. And this is a true celestial object. It's a gorgeous globular cluster, a super dense, ancient ball of stars, probably billions of years old, all bound tightly together by gravity. It's a real cosmic jewel, perfectly framed for us by our window. So let's just step back and think about what we've seen. This amazing cosmic window has shown us so much more than just a pretty bunch of stars. It's given us a real peek into the structure, the depth, and even the history of our own galaxy. So let's quickly recap the big stuff. First, Messier 24 isn't really an object. It's a window through all that cosmic dust. Second, that window lets us see clear into the Sagittarius arm, which is a whopping 10,000 light years away. Third, hiding inside that view is a beautiful, ancient globular cluster, NGC 6603. And finally, all of this together just reveals the absolutely incredible depth and beautiful structure of the galaxy we call home. It's pretty humbling when you think about it, isn't it? This whole spectacular view is only possible because of a little lucky break in the clouds. It really makes you wonder, if one tiny gap can show us all of this, what other incredible wonders are still out there, just waiting for us, hidden right behind the cosmic dust?